Hey, good morning, students. Today is Monday, May 3rd. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. This week we're going to be jumping back into Paxton Patterson, and we're going to be talking about the 8 dimensions of wellness as well as financial wellness. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you log in, you're going to go to log into Paxton Patterson, go to your distance learning, you're going to click on the 8 dimensions of wellness. These are the parts that you're going to review and go over in this module. You're going to look at what is wellness, the 8 dimensions of wellness, the nutrition and wellness connection, what is occupational wellness, finding satisfaction in what you do, volunteering, and then you have an activity, a career cluster survey and exploration. Then when you complete that, you will go to financial wellness. Okay, you'll still be in Paxton Patterson and Distance Learning 1. Okay, you'll complete what is financial wellness, the nutrition connection, financial needs across the lifespan, maintaining financial wellness, financial decision making, tools for financial success, and then again you have an activity which is who uses credit. And then finally, and probably most important this week, you're going to complete 4 checkpoint tests. Okay, you're going to log into Paxton Patterson, go to distance learning, and when you go to distance learning, this is what you're going to see right here. It's going to be your units and test. Okay, every blue check mark is a checkpoint test. You're going to have 4 I want you to complete this week. Checkpoint test 1, which is home maintenance. Checkpoint test 2, it was also home maintenance. Checkpoint test 1 again, wellness, health and wellness, and then another health and wellness checkpoint. Okay, so that's what you're going to complete this week in Paxton Patterson. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to me, shoot me an email, send me a message in Canvas. I'll always respond to those, hopefully as soon as I get them, if not within 24 hours. So I hope you have a great week and continue to prepare yourself for your EOGs and your end of grade testing and your other classes. Make sure that you're spending some time each day setting aside and preparing for those end of grade tests. All right, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.